Good evening. Waiting in the emergency room is something everyone tries to avoid, but these wait times have been a problem all across the region. And at the Prairie North Health Region meeting today, an update was given on what staff are doing to make the emergency department a little bit more efficient. Now, the average time in the ER waiting room used to be 4 hours, but this isn't the case anymore.
Now have a board up that tells people how long the wait times are. So people, when they come in, they are aware that the wait times are at 2 hours or 1 hour, or, we have a goal of 0 waits. But when are we going to get there? We're hoping by 2017 we'll be at 0 waits.
Noyes says they've been doing a lot more to make it more efficient and reduce the amount of people leaving without being seen.
We have a new patient tracking system. It's called Sunrise Clinical Manager. And so at a glance, anybody in the department can look, any of the professional staff can look at that and know where we're at, how many are in the waiting room, how many are in beds, how sick the people are in beds, because we have an acuity level on that.
She says the department staff do daily surveys to continue the improvement and did a complete cleanup of the department offices. Now they also put TVs in the ER with information about wait times, family physicians, and medication. Well, hundreds of organizations across the province were given a big helping hand from the Saskatchewan Liquor and Gaming Authority recently. Now, Wendy Plandowski is a happy CEO these days. The SGLA handed out more than $1.4 million in charitable gaming grants last quarter, including more than $63,000 in our region, and the Lloydminster Health Region Foundation was one of the big recipients.
$20,000 is a significant boost for some of the projects that we're looking at. It buys a piece of equipment, it supports a program, so it was definitely an added bonus when we found that out.
The money is part of the government's effort to provide financial support to groups that work hard to enhance their communities. The LRHF aids healthcare innovation in and around the border city and supports programs in hospitals and continuing care. Each year, the Health Foundation holds its Lucky Lloyd Lotto to raise money, which made it eligible for the grant. The proceeds from last year's lottery went into orthopedics, and that's also what this grant will be put into.
Certainly, we still have lots of things to support with the orthopedic program in Lloydminster, and still a little ways to go in reaching that goal. So orthopedics will be an excellent fit.
The LRHF's next big event is the second annual Lloydminster Muck Run on May 10th. Well, a number of Cold Lake's charitable organizations will have a few extra dollars soon, thanks to a generous donation to the United Way from Fort Wayne Cold Lake. Fraser Snowden has more.
$30,000 was donated today in a check presentation on the base. The Lakeland United Way chair says he is ecstatic about the generous contribution.
Oh, it's good, wonderful, every penny make a difference, So 30,000 is like we got so far 400,000. So we got 30,000, 430,000 total we collected Lakeland United Way.
United Way helps many charities in the Lakeland area, including the Lakeland Humane Society, the Dr. Margaret Savage Crisis Center, and a number of nonprofit organizations. The wing commander says it feels great to be able to help.
On behalf of myself and all the 4 wing members who've contributed to this, we all can feel really proud of our efforts, especially in the tough times. It's difficult. Here the economy is red hot, and we know it puts a lot of pressures on people, and yet people continue to donate more and more every year, which is outstanding.
He adds that it is important for them to help Cold Lake because Fort Wayne is part of the city.
So it's important that we play our part like all the other people in the community that contribute to United Way, and United Way is a great cause because it reaches out to a lot of the needy folks. That is difficult. Any organization is very difficult to reach to the needy folks.
The money was raised through various fundraising events around the base, including boot shines and canvassing for donations. In Cold Lake, Fraser Snowden, Newcap News.
Sticking with the United Way, the Lloydminster and District chapter was on the receiving end of a major donation yesterday. This thanks to the Service Credit Union. Now, the staff at Service donated more than $11,000 to the cause after raising money through their fall campaign.
The staff gets in behind it through employee pledges, through bake sales, jean days, a breakfast that we held this year, various parts of the campaign that they supported.
It's one of the companies here in town that really supports the United Way every year, and we really rely on all of our companies within our area helping to support us.
All the money the United Way collects over the year will be given out to various member agencies in May.